Good morning. My name is Umang Mathur and I am studying in class 11 science stream LKSPS. Today I am going to explain mobile system organization, which is a subtopic of computer system organization. First of all, as we compare the size of mini computers, mobiles, to the size of computers, it has a huge difference of size, as computers are much bigger than the mini computers, mobiles. Then how these computers are converted into mini computers? It is done through the concept of SoC, system on a chip concept. In this concept, all the components are comprised on a single chip. Now I will discuss all the components of mobile system organization. First component is mobile processor. Mobile processor, CPU. Mobile processor is also known as the brain of the mobile system. It controls all the entire functioning of mobile system organization. Mobile processor has two sub-processors, CPU and APU. CPU stands for Communication Processing Unit. CPU controls all the calling, texting, etc. APU stands for Application Processing Unit. It controls and guides all the applications which are installed in mobile system. Nowadays, in modern smartphones, we have a new concept which is called GPU. GPU stands for Graphic Processing Unit or Graphical Processing Unit. It controls all the HD gaming experiences as well as HD image and video resolutions. Now, with the help of this flowchart, I will explain all the components or subsystems of mobile system organization. The first is power management. Power management, battery. It supplies the power to MSO, mobile system organization. Second we have is radio signal management. The radio signal management uses RF transceiver to control calling and texting. RF transceiver stands for radio frequency transceiver. Here, transceiver is a device which sends and receives the radio signal in one time. Radio signal management also helps in SIM management. Now, the third is camera management. In camera management is used for mainly image and video processing, like instant image captures, zoom in, zoom out, HD resolutions, etc. Then fourth number we have display management. Display management is used for touch screens, touchscreen keyboards as well as fingerprint sensors. Then the fifth number we have memory management. Memory management is mainly used for processing. Memory management has two parts, RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory, it's used for processing applications which are installed in mobile system. Then ROM, which is read-only memory, which is used for processing and storage the pre-installed applications and softwares on mobile system. Then we have storage management. Storage management is mainly used for expanding memory of phone or storage of phone. It is done by SD cards like 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, etc. At last we have codec. Codec stands for coding and decoding. It is mainly used for mic and speakers. Now I will explain all these subsystems here. First is power management. As we have earlier discussed, it is battery. Battery power supplies to MSO, which is mobile system organization. Then in second number we have radio signal management. Radio signal management uses RF transceiver for calling as well as texting. RF transceiver stands for radio frequency transceiver, and we have discussed that transceiver is a device which sends and receives radio signals in one time, and it also helps in SIM management. Now in third number we have camera management. We have discussed that it is used for image and video processing like HD video resolutions, zoom in, zoom out, and instant image captures. Fifth is display management. It's used for touchscreen, fingerprint sensors, and touchscreen keyboards. Fifth is memory management. Memory management is mainly used for processing. It has two parts, RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory. It is used for processing installed applications on mobile system. And ROM, which is read-only memory. It is used for storage and processing all the pre-installed applications as well as softwares on mobile system. Now, sixth number we have storage management. It is mainly used for expanding phone's memory or phone's storage, done by SD card, 16 GB, and etc. And the last we have codec. Codec stands for coding and decoding. It is used for mic and speaker. In mic, we have the concept ADC, and in the speaker we have the concept DAC. Now I will explain the concept of ADC as well as DAC. In mic, as we use the concept of ADC, it stands for analog to digital converter. Here analog stands for human understandable language, and D stands for digital, which we can understand that it is a machine language. Like as we speak on our mobiles, it converts our language which is analog to digital, which means phone understandable language or machine understandable language. This concept is called ADC, which is used in microphones or mic. Now we have speakers which use the concept of DAC. DAC stands for digital to analog converter. Digital stands for machine language or phone language, which converts to analog, which means we can understand. How we can understand that language? Like we play videos, games and music on our mobile, then the sound which is output, it is done by speakers on the concept of DAC. At last, I will say that all the subsystems and components of mobile system combined together to achieve a common goal or task forms a mobile system organization or MSO. Thank you.